Dear students of class 7, today we would be learning from chapter 2 of your book. The title is You Must Walk. It deals with a very common topic, that is walking. The book reads this story as well. Walking is an ideal exercise. Going for a long walk is almost as beneficial as joining a gym class. Walking is an ideal exercise. हाँ, टहलना एक आदर्श एक्सरसाइज है. Going for a long walk is almost as beneficial as joining a gym class, or even better than that in a way. The advantage of walking is that it can be done at any time and any place. It can be adjusted to suit individual needs. Okay, the writer of this chapter is willing to tell that walking is a very suitable tool of doing the exercise, keeping our body and mind fit. He says that it is better than attending a gym class because it can be done anytime, anywhere. And it can be even adjusted according to your need. People walk for different reasons. Roughly, there are three kinds of walkers. Performance walkers consider walking an integral part of their daily exercise routine. Integral मतलब आंतरिक, integral. Performance walkers consider walking as an integral part of their daily exercise routine. Health walkers walk for health benefits. They take to rambling or running for physical fitness. Finally, there are the casual country walkers who enjoy recreational or off-road walks. For you, the walking to do any good, you must walk in a particular way. The walking techniques are simple. You concentrate on posture, the foot and arm movements. Posture is important. The head should be centered. Keep your chin up and parallel to the ground. Your chest lifted and shoulders pulled back. Simultaneously, the stomach should be pulled in. Imagine that a rope is pulling you up, or that you are balancing a book on the top of your head. So these lines tells us that how our postures should be during walk. You have a casual walk, you have a serious walk because you are a professional performer somewhere in a game event or on a gymnast. So for different people, walking style should be different, and according to the goal set they want to achieve, walking should be adjusted accordingly. While walking, we should keep our body postures stiff. Before you start walking, begin with some stretching. Yeah, just for warm up. While you sleep, the muscles of the body contract and go stiff. Yes. During the sleep, it says that our body muscle gets contracted and stiff. मतलब इसमें हमारे बॉडी के मांसपेशियों में खिंचाव आ जाता है, संकुचन होता है, contract, संकुचन and stiff, it becomes a little bit tough. थोड़ा हार्डनेस आ जाती है इसमें. Loosen up muscles and joints with a series of head and shoulder rolls. हमें अपने मसल्स और जोड़ों को रिलैक्स छोड़ना चाहिए. Once the muscles हैव बीन स्ट्रेच, यू आर रेडी टू बिगिन। यस, सुबह में उठने के बाद थोड़ा सा हमें वार्म अप के लिए शोल्डर्स एंड हेड को मूवमेंट करना चाहिए एंड देन वी शुड स्टार्ट वॉकिंग एज इट हैज़ बीन सजेस्टेड इन दिस ऐसे। स्टार्ट एट अ कंफर्टेबल पेस, शुरुआत आराम से करें, धीरे धीरे कदमों से करें। प्लांट द हील फॉर्मली ऑन द ग्राउंड, आपके पैर की एड़ियाँ मजबूती से पैर में ज़मीन पे पैरेलल यानी क्षैतिज होना चाहिए, शरीर में बॉडी ज़मीन पे प्रॉपरली रखना चाहिए। व्हेन यू आर हैविंग अ वेरी कंफर्टेबल पेस, धीरे धीरे कदमों से जब चल रहे हो। वॉक कंफर्टेबली, इंक्रीज द स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस यू कवर ग्रेजुअली ओवर वीक्स। Take 14 to 15 minutes for every kilometer in the first few days. The country walker swings his arms casually in a style that he is at ease with. This walk is suitable for all age groups, for the recovering patients, the old and the young. This first technique is for those who want to begin on a fitness program. But if you want aerobic benefits and improvement in heart functioning, then flex your arms at the elbows at 90 degrees. So different postures, different activities can be done through our arms, legs and other limbs of the body for achieving different goals. First, with fists slightly clenched, fist means muthi, with fists lightly clenched, swing your arms but never above the shoulder level in front. It increases the heart rate and as a result burns more calories. But move on to this style of walking only after you have warmed up with the first technique. Yes, once you are absolutely at ease, जब आप इसमें बिल्कुल आप आरामदेह हो जाएं, मीन्स आप जब इसके अभ्यस्त हो जाएं, once you are absolutely at ease with this style of walking, you may change over to another walk. तो आप दूसरे तरह के तरीके का वॉकिंग जिसमें ज़्यादा आपको एक्सरसाइज होती है वैसे कर सकते हैं। वी कैन चेंज योर स्टाइल ऑफ वॉकिंग। दिस चैलेंजिंग वॉक इज़ फॉर द वेरी फिट हु डोंट सफ़र फ्रॉम एचेज और एनी एलिमेंट्स। हाँ, ये जो अगला आपको वॉक करने का तरीका है यह उन लोगों के लिए है जो शारीरिक रूप से काफ़ी फिट हैं, उनको किसी तरह का रोग नहीं है, किसी तरह की कोई व्याधि नहीं है, कहीं कोई दर्द नहीं है। Flex your arms at the elbow and swing rhythmically. Rhythmically, place your feet as if walking on a tightrope. Speed walkers who walk this way ideally cover a km in less than 6 minutes. You don't need to stick to the more strenuous forms of walking all the time. Shift from one form to the other whenever you are tired and want to get your breath back. Never stop immediately. If you suddenly feel dizzy or a mild pain in the chest, take a couple of minutes to slow down before stopping. Carrying water along with for hydration is very important. Muscles contain 70% water, so water must be replaced as you sweat it out. If you walk with friends and keep changing your paths to break monotony, there is nothing you will enjoy more. But you must walk for deep breathing, for fresh air and oxygen, for shedding your extra weight and for keeping fit. Thank you. This reads out. I want to say in a nutshell to our students that walking is a kind of ideal exercise because of its comfort in performing. In place of other form of exercises, walking is easy to do, because whenever we are out even, then we can resort to walking anywhere. Suppose we are staying in a hotel somewhere else of our place, we can walk there also in the morning when the roads are free from traffics, and we can do it according to our needs and body health condition. So different types of walking is there according to our need and goal we set for that, and we can adjust it in terms of its speed, in terms of timing, in terms of the body postures and participation of other limbs while walking. So it is from time immemorial, this is considered to be a very easy and popular kind of exercise. Thank you.